Okay, g'day, my name is Mark. So what is the Super T Pink project? Basically, myself, a heap of other makers, we're going to make pink tools out of laminated veneer and this iron bark, which I chopped down from a dead tree at work. We're going to have a massive raffle that will involve all of our tools and heaps of vouchers, heaps. We are raising money for the Super T project. It is a not-for-profit organisation. What they do is have a superhero t-shirt. It's specially designed with access points all over the shirt. So when sick kids are wearing these superhero t-shirts in hospital, they can get all that yucky stuff done without having to remove their clothing all the time. It really does make life easier for those little sick dudes and dudettes. Okay, just quickly, who is on the team for this one? Got myself and Vipun from Vipun Envisage Designs. We've got Mario, the Woodfather. We've got Darren from Wood's the Worst That Could Happen. Neil, Crafting with the Beard. Scott from Custom Creations. Steve, that pen bloke. And Manny from the Wooden Thumb. The other person we have recruited is Ash from Woodwork and Whiskers. Now what he has been doing is jamming it in to as many companies as possible to try and get some gift vouchers for their businesses, mostly woodworking related, maker related, trade related, so that this prize is massive. Okay, and he's done a fantastic job of that, so thanks very much, mate. Everybody now has their veneers and their iron bark. They're making their tools. It is going to be one of the coolest toolkits you'll ever see. I'm going to make 2 mallets. Yes, it's another mallet video, but these ones are pretty cool, so I'd appreciate if you stick with me and watch all the cool little things that I'm learning on this mallet making journey. Okay, thank you. Almost forgot, Damien from Little Warrior Shields, he actually suggested this charity. We didn't actually know what we were going to do back then. Now we do, and it couldn't be a more perfect suggestion. So thanks very much, mate. Okay, along with the main Super T raffle of all the maker tools, we also want to run a few auctions. I'm going to try and do something a little bit cool with the leftover pieces I have. So I'll glue those together and then I'll figure out what sort of cool blank I can get out of that for a handle. Okay, I want to have a go at putting some metal into the transition of these handles. I've picked up this pieces of aluminium out of the bin. So I've got a mate at work, he's doing the race across America, 2021, COVID, didn't happen. So these got thrown in the bin, I scooped them up. There's just enough here to get the small piece of aluminium I need. So I'm gonna make up a mini blank, a bit of aluminium, a bit more pink, and I'm gonna slot that on there to give it a go, because hopefully that'll look pretty cool. Okay, so don't waste anything. Okay, the blank's pretty dodgy. Hopefully, 5-minute epoxy will do the job. Massive shit fight. Alrighty, so this one's just a little bit loose. Although I'm using a 5-minute epoxy, I do want a super tight fit. So I'm gonna do these little foxtail wedges, I think they're called. As the handle drives into the mallet head, it pushes on the wedge just enough to broaden that joint and make it a mechanical as well as a chemical joint. So I've only done this 3 times. 2 worked great, once was a failure. So the other thing is my little transition. It's a bit of a shit fight. I'm just going to epoxy it all together, clamp it together, and hope for the best. Here we go. Right, so many steps. Nearly there. Check square. Alright, here we go. Digging that handle. And this one, aluminium, that was a new thing for me. That's turned out pretty cool as well. So hopefully we can make some good money. Okay, just quickly, I am an ambassador for Safe Style Eyewear. They are unreal safety specs. I wear them all the time. You can get yourself 10% off with code Dana10. Now this gives me a little commission every time you guys click the link, and I cannot thank you enough. Those little commissions actually help a great deal when you're running a little backyard shed operation like I am. So thank you, much appreciated. Okay, almost forgot. Now we would... Jesus!